Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to teach you a very interesting system of equation, how to solve it. Okay, it is a very important kind of problem for any kind of competitive exam like IMO or any kind of national competitive exam for any country. Okay, so let's do it. So there is three equations. Okay, x plus y plus z equal to 3, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 3, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3. Okay, all right. So before proceed to solve this equation, let me teach you a bit about a cubic equation, general form of a cubic equation, that is x cube plus bx square, okay, plus cx plus d equal to 0, right? Now we know there are three properties of roots of this equation. If the roots are alpha, beta and gamma, okay, then first property is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus negative b over a, that is coefficient of x square over coefficient of x cube. And second property is alpha beta, okay, plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c over a, that is coefficient of x over coefficient of x cube. Okay, and property number 3, that is simply alpha beta gamma, that is product of all roots, is negative, okay, d over a. D is, that is constant term, and a is x cube, coefficient of x cube. Okay, so you can see that negative, positive, negative. Okay, keep these things in your mind. Now, okay, now we are going to solve the equation, the system of equations. Okay, so first of all, let x, y, z are three roots, okay, three roots of the equation, that is t cube minus 8 square, okay, plus bt minus c equal to 0. Okay, let's say this is the equation number 1, and we take the equation, that is t cube minus 8 square plus bt minus c equal to 0. All right, so if the roots of this equation is x, y, z, then we can say that x plus y plus z, that is sum of all the roots, is simply as per this formula minus b over a, minus b over a. B means coefficient of t square, okay, here, so that is negative a, okay, over a, that is here is 1, so simply a. Okay, so in this way, let me clean it. So in this way, xy plus yz plus zx, that is property 2, is simply we know that it was c over a. C means here, that is coefficient of t, right, b over a, that is 1, simply b. All right, okay, so x plus y plus z equal to a, and a we know that this is simply 3, because x plus y plus z, that is 3. Okay, and now we are going to use a formula, that is x plus y plus z a whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square, right, plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx, right. Now we can write x square plus y square plus z square, that is simply from here, right, that is simply 3 plus 2 into, we do not know this one, but you can say this, we can write b to make it short, right, because xy plus yz plus zx equal to b, so this value is b actually, and xy plus y, x plus y plus z, that is simply 3, and 3 square, so this is simply, we can say 3 square equal to 9, equal to 3 plus 2b. Okay, and we can say 2b equal to 9 minus 3, all right, and b equal to 9 minus 3, that is 6 over 2, so we can say 3, so b equal to also 3, right. And since x y z, okay, are the roots of equation t cube minus 8 square plus bt minus c equal to 0, okay, this equation will become simply t cube minus a, it was 3t square, right, plus b also 3t minus c, we do not know it yet, equal to 0, right. So we can say that also, we can, as x y z are the roots of this equation, right, of this equation, so we can satisfy these values, okay, one by one, right, like this way. X cube, we can put value the x here and it will satisfy the equation, so simply x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus c equal to 0, right? Okay, similarly y cube minus 3y square plus 3y minus c equal to 0, and for z it is simply z cube minus 3z square plus 3z minus c equal to 0, right? Okay, now we can add these three equations, this one and this one. So we can, if we add these three equations, we'll get x cube plus y cube plus z cube, right? X cube plus y cube plus z cube. Let's write it here. X cube plus y cube plus z cube, right? And this will be simply minus 3 x square. We can common 3 minus 3, and left will be like x square plus y square plus z square, right? So minus 3. Okay, so 3x x square plus y square plus z square, right? And it will be simply plus 3, and you can say 3x plus y plus z. We are taking 3 common, so you can write this way. Okay, and it will be simply minus 3c. All right, now you can see that x cube plus y cube plus z cube, the value of it is simply 3, right? It is given. And minus 3 into x square plus y square plus z square, the value of it also 3, right? 3. Okay, and plus 3 into the value of x plus y plus z, it is also 3. So 3 minus 3c equal to 0. So this 3 into 3 and this 3 into 3 will be cancelled out. It is negative, it is positive. Okay, and here simply 3 we are left with 3 minus 3c equal to 0. So you can see, we can write that 1 minus c equal to 0. All right, and c equal to 1. So we got c equal to 1, right? So we can convert this equation. We can put value of c here, right? So the equation will be simply like this. So the equation will be t cube minus 3t square plus 3t minus 1 equal to 0, right? If you notice here, look at this, look at this equation. It is simply formula of t minus 1 whole cube, right? So that is equal to 0, and you know t equal to, simply there will be 3 value 1 1 1. All right, so you can see that this equation has 3 roots and all are same, all are equal 1 1 1. All right, and we also know that the roots of this equation are like x y z. So from this we can say x equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. So this is the only solution of this, for this system of equation, right? X equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 1 is the only solution of this equation, of the system of this equation. Okay, I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it also with your friend, and leave some comments. It will help me a lot to continue make videos for you. Thank you guys. Stay blessed.